In this tutorial, I'll show you how to connect Maxx stack steering wheel to PS4. Firstly, ensure your PS4 or PS5 is completely powered off before starting. Connect the racing wheel's power adapter to the electrical outlet and use a USB cable to connect the racing wheel to your console. Turn on the console and Logitech on other models will perform auto calibration, rotating fully in both directions. Plug the pedal set into the wheelbase using the provided cable, and some models require a DualShock controller to be wired into the wheel. If so, turn off the controller before connecting. Just adjust the force feedback, dead zones and button mapping in your game settings for a customized racing experience. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.